friends, thanks for subscribing Automobile Dealership Echelon Group channel. We feel gratitude that you appreciate our hard work. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please press subscribe button to subscribe our channel. Press bell icon for getting latest notifications. Please like our channel, leave comments, please share our channel. Thank you.
Group. Welcome to Automobile Dealership Echelon Group. In today's topic, we are going to share about Nissan Magnite technical features. Let's get into it. Please watch it till the end. Magnite. Charismatic design. A meticulous blend of three Japanese design concepts along with Indian inspirations make way for the all-new Nissan Magnite's charismatic design. It's big, it's bold, it's remarkably beautiful. The all-new Nissan Magnite is charismatic in every sense of the word. Specially designed to attract eyes, hearts and minds, truth be told, it's not just an SUV. It's attraction on wheels. The all-new CARISMATIC Nissan Magnite Kabuku, the pioneering attitude. Sui, the purity of purpose and contents. Dashing and full of youthful vigor. Ines. Charisma means bold stance, one look and you're hooked forever. While moving with absolute confidence, this SUV projects a bold statement unlike any other. First in segment by projector LED headlamps with LED light guide with the best in segment sleek by projector LED headlamps and LED light guide. The road ahead shall always look clear as day, anytime and every time. Dominating front grille stand out as you drive in with the commanding and dominating front chrome grille. L-shaped LED DRLs with LED fog lamps outshine the spotlight wherever you go. The all-new Nissan Magnite's L-shaped daytime running lamps (DRLs) and LED fog lamps help you make style statements effortlessly. Wide split signature TAILLAMPS while you're zipping through the streets, leave a lasting impression with the sporty and sharp wide split signature tail lamps. Charisma means beautiful inside out, feeling like a rock star comes effortless when you drive within your own luxurious space. Thanks to the all-new Nissan Magnite's best-in-class 700mm couple seat distance, interior space and roominess. Get no complaints about space from your family or friends sitting in the back seat. Find maximum space for their knees, shoulders and minds. Rear KNEEROOM. (336L) cargo space with 60:40 split invite possibilities, not excuses. With a 336L cargo space, this car makes space for your memories and lifestyle, no matter where you go. Keeping you in the center, we have built the best-in-class cockpit interface design in the all-new Nissan Magnite. It comes with a 5-degree tilt of the center stack which ensures you don't just drive out, you vibe out. Cockpit interface design. Charisma means big on performance. Welcome to the most charismatic drive you have ever experienced. At the core of the all-new Nissan Magnite is the revolutionary HRA0 engine. Driving will never be the same again. Most powerful HRA0 1.0L turbo engine. Now, start every journey with the power of HRA0 1.0L engine coursing through the car, resulting in quicker and smoother acceleration. First in segment most advanced HRA0 Xtronic CVT, be it bumper-to-bumper Terrace or highways that vanish at the horizon, all new Nissan Magnite's CVT provides re-net power delivery for effortless and smooth driving experiences. Cruise control. Take your feet off the pedals and relax. Once you hit the highway, switch to cruise control and let this SUV take over your driving worries. Bird's eye and front view. Bird's eye and rear VIEWFRONT, rear and side view. Charisma means ingenious. Owing to Nissan's legacy of tech ingenuity, the all-new Nissan Magnite comes packed with innovative experiences and technologies, making every drive easier and better. The classy 8 inches full-OS touchscreen provides non-stop entertainment with wireless connectivity to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Best-in-class wireless connectivity to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Feel more content and focused with all your driving information, safety features and much more on the 7 inches TFT display. Advanced Drive Assist Display. Charisma means being sure no matter where you go, you will always be in safe hands. The all-new Nissan Magnite has been specially designed to ensure complete safety, no matter the driving conditions. Anti-lock braking system (ABS) with electronic brakeforce distribution (EBD). A road full of surprises can never be a threat with two intuitive safety systems in the all-new Nissan Magnite, ABS and EBD. Vehicle Dynamic Control. Equipped with Vehicle Dynamic Control (VDC), this SUV takes instant control on difficult terrains, slippery roads and sharp curves, safely leading the way. Traction Control System. Always be in control of tough situations with maximum traction to avoid wheel spin in slippery and loose terrain. Without ABS, with ABS, without VDC, with VDC. Electronic Stability Control and Traction Control System with ESC. Hill Start Assist. Forget uphill battles. Drive stable and steady on an incline, without the fear of rolling back with the all-new Nissan Magnite's trusted Hill Start Assist. Stay safe and secure with standard dual airbags for driver and co-passenger safety. Dual front airbags. While the all-new Nissan Magnite is sure to make a style statement, make yours stand out. Check out our combinations of tech and innovations for your convenience and comfort. Tech Pack Puddle Lamp, Wireless Charger, Air Purifier, Premium JBL Speakers, Ambient Mood Lighting. Disclaimer to * terms and conditions apply. Nissan Motor India Private Limited reserves the right to make any changes without notice, concerning colors, equipment or specifications detailed in this brochure, or to discontinue individual models. The colors are subject to availability and may not be available across all variants and may differ slightly from those in this brochure. Features and accessories shown may not be standard equipment and are subject to change without prior notice. Please consult your local dealer to ensure that the vehicle delivered is in accordance with your expectations. Accessories shown are not part of standard TMENT and are subject to availability. 1-800-209-3456. Book now. #Ignite Your Charisma.